From our first hello to every little adventure, every memory became sweeter because we shared them together.
Lagi kitang inaalala kahit di mo ako pansin. Honey, my love, so sweet.
Just like honey, every moment becomes richer, warmer, and sweeter when shared with someone you love.
Na ang iyong damdamin para sa'kin. Hindi mo lang alam ang aking nadarama pagkapiling ka. Honey, my love, so sweet. Kahit sino ka pa, basta't mahal kita.
Because every love story deserves a touch of sweetness.